Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sir DL and welcome to the Aliens Vlog and Math Tutorials. For today, we are going to discuss about subtracting whole number and the fraction. We are going to study subtracting whole number and the fraction. What are the main objectives of the lesson? Number one, discuss subtraction of fractions. And number two, solve subtraction of whole number and the fraction. Discuss subtraction of fractions and solve subtraction of whole number and a fraction. Always remember, if you think you can, you can. If you think you cannot, you are right. Again, if you think you can, you can. If you think you cannot, you are right. What are the rules in subtracting whole number and the fraction? First one, borrow 1 from the whole number. We will be borrowing 1 from the whole number. Number 2, make 1 as equivalent fraction, same with the denominator of the subtrahend in order for us to have similar fractions so that we can subtract the fractions easily. Next one, subtract the similar fractions and find the lowest term. Those are the rules in subtracting whole number and the fraction. Okay, let's now try to apply these rules on the following examples. Number one example, 6 minus 3/4. What's the first rule? Borrow 1 from the whole number. So we will be borrowing 1 from the whole number. From 6, it will become 5 plus 1 because we borrowed 1. Next one, make 1 as equivalent fraction, same with the denominator of the subtrahend. We will be converting 1 into an equivalent fraction, same with the denominator of the subtrahend, so that we will be having similar fractions because similar fractions are easy to be subtracted. What is the equivalent fraction of 1? Based on the denominator of the subtrahend, 1 becomes 4 over 4 because 4 divided by 4 is still equal to 1. We now have similar fractions. We will just be subtracting similar fractions based on their numerator. 4 minus 3, that is 1. Then copy the denominator, copy the whole number, and the final answer is 5 and 1/4. As simple as that. 4 minus 3, that is 1. Copy the denominator, then copy the whole number. 5 and 1/4 is the final answer. Next one, what is 3 minus 6 over 7? First step, borrow 1 from 3. It becomes 2 plus 1. Then we will be converting 1 into an equivalent fraction, similar with the denominator of the subtrahend, so that we will be having similar fractions because similar fractions are easy to be subtracted. So 1 will become 7 over 7 because 7 is the denominator of the subtrahend. And 7 over 7 minus 6 over 7 are similar fractions. What we will just be doing is, we will be subtracting the numerator, then copy the denominator, and copy the whole number. 7 minus 6, that is 1. Copy the denominator, and copy the whole number. 2 and 1 over 7 is our final answer. As simple as that. Next one, 10 minus 5 over 9. Let's follow the step. We will be borrowing 1 from 10, and that becomes 9 plus 1. Then we will be converting 1 into an equivalent fraction, similar with the denominator of the subtrahend. That's why 1 will become 9 over 9, because 9 over 9 is still equal to 1. And we have now similar fractions, and we will just be subtracting the numerator, then copy the denominator, and copy the whole number. 9 minus 5, that is 4. Copy the denominator, copy the whole number, and the final answer is 9 and 4 over 9. That's very simple, right? I want you now to try the next example on your own. I'll be giving you 1 minute. I think that's enough. You may start answering now. Okay, let's answer this problem. We will be borrowing 1 from 5, and that becomes 4 plus 1. And we will be converting 1 into an equivalent fraction, wherein we will be copying, or it should be the same with the denominator of the subtrahend. And 1 will become 8 over 8. 8 over 8 minus 3 over 8 are similar fractions, so we can subtract them easily. 8 minus 3, that is 5. Then we copy the denominator and copy the whole number, and the final answer is 4 and 5 over 8. That is very simple, right? Let's now have our last example for today. What is 12 minus 6 over 15? Okay, we will be borrowing 1 from 12, and this will become 11 plus 1. Then we will be having an equivalent fraction. Make 1 as equivalent fraction. Same with the denominator of the subtrahend. So 1 will become 15 over 15, because 15 over 15 is equal to 1. We now have similar fractions. We can subtract them easily. What is 15 minus 6? That is 9. Then copy 15, copy 11. Since 9 over 15 has lowest term, we will be having the final answer 11/3 over 5, because 9 and 15 are both divisible by 3. 9 divided by 3, 3. 15 divided by 3, 5. The final answer is 11/3 over 5. That is very simple, right? Those are the rules in subtraction of a whole number and the fraction. First one, borrow 1 from the whole number. Borrow 1 from the whole number. Then make 1 as equivalent fraction, same with the denominator of the subtrahend. Make 1 as equivalent fraction, same with the denominator of the subtrahend. It will become 15 over 15. Then subtract the similar fractions. 15 minus 6, that becomes 9. Then we will be copying 15 and copying 11. But since 9 over 15 has lowest term, our final answer is 11 and 3 over 5. I hope you were able to follow our simple instructions for today. Always remember, mathematics will always remind us that in every problem, there is a solution. Thank you for watching, everyone, and may the Lord bless you.